Good afternoon, everybody. It's exactly 4 p.m. Eastern Time. The stock market just closed, and let me just see what happened to the market. We are down minus, oh my god, 2,352 points. Well, this just tells you that the main thing that is gone right now from the market is the word hope. Okay? People are not thinking about investing. People are not thinking about making money. People are thinking about escaping the market. Okay? They just want to run away, take their money out, and pretty much just maybe stay on the sidelines and watch what would happen. And I cannot really blame them for that, because the stock market is about expectations. It's about, let me just see one more time. Plunged in coronavirus fears. It was there since 1987. Okay, so it looks like we have, I guess the market crash of 1987 was still worse than it was today, but pretty close. So it's pretty amazing what's happening right now, because the whole model, the whole, I guess, way of life and way of thinking and looking at life and a business has changed. It's just, you know, people don't see the alternative, because business is being killed. You know, this coronavirus is making people scared, and when people are scared, they're not buying iPhones, they're not buying any kind of toys or any kind of you know, bullshit, all these gimmicks. You know, they're buying the stuff when they're happy and they have money and they kind of like want to, I don't know, entertain themselves. But if people are thinking about how to survive, how to not to get infected, and how to not to die, you know, then the perspective changes. You know, what is valuable now? It's toilet paper, paper towels, sanitizers, rubbing alcohol, disinfectants. You know, who cares about some shares of some stock that, you know, if you're gonna die soon, or, you know, people around you might die, so who knows. So and when this thing is gonna end, it's gonna be interesting to see, because most people that hold the stock, or huge amounts of stock, are rich people. You know that story where they say 10% of people in America control 90% of assets in this country. Well, guess what? They're gonna become poor soon, or they're gonna lose a lot of money, because their wealth was built on the perception that, yeah, they hold this virtual wealth that is measured by numbers of shares that they got. But unless others are willing to buy at least small portions of their wealth from them, their wealth is really worth nothing, you know. And as I said in my previous video, when you say Jeff Bezos is the richest guy in the world and he's worth 100 or 150 billion dollars, when his company is making a $3 billion profit only, well, guess what? This formula of multiplying your earnings 100 years ahead is gone. You are worth what you make. because tomorrow people might die, your customers might die, you might die. So instead of trying to wait and estimate how much money you're gonna have in 5, 10, 15, 20 years, if you only have now, you're worth only what you have now. Your company made $2 or $3, $5 billion and you have 10% of the stock. Well, guess what? You have 10% of this $2 or $3 billion, which is $200 million. You're not worth $100 or $150 billion. You're worth what you make today, and that's it. And we could actually see this new concept, you know, coming alive right in front of our eyes. Richest people in the world are losing trillions of dollars. And are they losing this money to somebody? No, because nobody's getting rich, or maybe just a few people, but most people are not getting rich. So they're losing this virtual money into the virtual world, and that basically tells you that I guess we live in simulation. We made up all those artificial expectations, all those artificial numbers, but in reality this is just our imagination. And when push comes to shove, you know, we realize that all this paper money or paper wealth is nothing. It could disappear tomorrow just because we have a disease that kills people. We cannot control it, we cannot cure it, and suddenly everybody just needs some basic needs and nothing superficial. So but this is an amazing times. Let me just check one more time what is the value of the minus 2,353 points on Dow. Wow, this is just amazing, So, but I just made a screenshot of my phone, so just to put these numbers into history. So there's a way still to make money in this market. Obviously, it's by shorting the stock or buying inverse exchange traded funds. And if you want to see which ones to buy, go to the website to stx.com. It will take you directly to the Apple App Store, where you could download, install, and run my app on your iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. And it covers over 5,500 stocks, and including inverse ETFs or short ETFs. And you would be able to know, how to make money off this market crash. So thank you for your time. Stay healthy, stay away from coronavirus, and good luck trading.